fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Kenapa ini Cek Bul?
Leo kena ladam. Kena ladam jahadam.
Berarti selain pemain bola bisa ngusuk juga Cek Bul ya? Wah, terapi.
Ini dari besi coba.
Minyak apa Cek Bul?
Ya dia tunjung bagus.
Hah, dia tunjuk.
Dulu wanginya wangi sankis.
Udah nih. Baik cek
Udah lah dulu.
masih nyari kok.
Luar apa?
Iya memang itu lah dulu. Mana mungkin langsung baik.
Jalan mana Cek Bula? Jalan mana Cek Bula?
Baru buka.
Jalan mana Cek Bula? Cek Bula.
Bukanya baik itu.
Jalan mana?
Jai Imam Bonjol.
Baik ceknya, baik ceknya.
Sombong kan? Udah jadi masuk YouTube.
Iya sombong.
Masuk YouTube Cek Bul. Hah?
Jai Imam Bonjol lagi ditunggu.
Divisi 2.
Iya divisi 2 ini.
PSSI. Marabullah, Sen, Deli Serdang.
20 tahun yang lewat.
Kapan ini ya?
Jawa
Said.
Tengah aduh main kini.
Kapan ini ya?
Iya kapan ini ya. Nah ini.
Nah ini.
Woi, kapan nah di mana kapan ini. Iyalah, tahu lah. Pikir namanya. Ya udahlah ngapain kau jangan durian. Apa pula sini jangan durian aku pula.
Imam Bonjol.
Buka hotel wisata kalau nggak Haji Misbah, Haji Miskin.
Tadi malam di mana?
Buka hotel wisata.
Aku lihat tak nampak.
Nampak kau pula ya kau.
Jalan mana itu?
Alah udahlah.
Ya jalan mana?
Ya Imam Bonjol. Telepon 423333 0623 kau dah. Mana handphone kau Pak? Telepon. 0623. Apa? Bagaimana PC Sasan? Mungkin kalau bulan depan, tahun depan PSSA nggak langsung divisi 2, langsung divisi 1.
Wah.
Sebab asisten pelatih tenisi Saidman Bula. Oke, go ahead. Nanti tangan Bula udah divisi 1 si Bula dicampakkan jadi gelandangan.
Gimana prediksi Bayern Munchen?
Bayern Munchen melawan Bali G.
Nah, dari
Divisi 4. Munchen Glodbach sama Munchen Gedebak. Main padam batu.
Oke guys,
Ya.
hari ini kita sudah latihan ya.
Latihannya. Aja mana Liga Kansas kita bikin lagi.
Lagi Kansas ya.
Ya melangkah pasti.
Wah,
Herman Sagita dulu pelatihnya kan PSDS.
ini bajunya baju tahun berapa ya?
Divisi 2. Iya.
Bang Sumut ya.
Iya divisi 2 punya nih dulu. Pak Ujang. Ini kan divisi 2 kan, ini kan si Benggol.
Divisi 2.
Iya si Benggol yang pakai ini. Samsudin.
Cek bola di sunset.
Foto gini.
Cantik ya. Foto kayak gitu. Berdiri lah.
Gini tuh.
Ya,
Gini. Macam di Milo kaleng gini.
ya. Oke, cair.
Oke my house. Oke my house.
Keren sunsetnya.
Bolanya mana weh? Pikir lu bola Pak Ujang.
Cet.
Ah. Mau pinjam lah bolanya, woi. Tapi bola ya, Mil.
Itu.
Woi, bola. Oke lah, kau bola enggak apa-apa.
Kayak bola lah, pemain bola.
Sini lah, macam di foto di Milo.
Tengok, keren kali sunset ya. Ha.
Ya gini. Kamu bilang Nagata yakin kawan, Nagata.
Si.
Namanya menimang anak lah kau ah. Ini tuh fotonya. Ini boleh jadi itu ya.
Milo. Ikan Milo kami. Milo. Minuman menambah energi. Milo.
1, 2, 3.
Milo. Oke.